Hello guys, my name is Tuba. Welcome to CeoFix channel. If you wanna watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. In this video, I will try to show you restrict user for moving or unpinning tiles. Okay, let's go. Begin quick tutorial. Go to CeoFix webpage and find download button. Choose Save File options. Open Downloads folder. Right-click Tile select zip file and choose Extract here. Double-click Tiles log file. User account control windows can pop up and asks you if you want to leave it. Click Yes to proceed. Choose OK button. Windows Explorer will restart and you will notice that you are no longer able to access the options in the left section of the upper pane, right-clicking to start screen. Tips: first click Start Screen Tile Movement and right-click has been restricted. Second click Start Screen Tile Restricted has been removed. Okay, that's all. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.